Welcome people, this is UPSC Connect. So, under the course of governance issues, we will be talking about governance. So within governance, we are going to cover introduction to governance, human rights, administration, bodies and government efforts. So the first chapter is introduction to governance, and under this chapter, we will be starting up with the introduction part. Then we'll pick up definition of the governance. किस किस इंस्टीट्यूशन ने कौन से ग्लोबल इंस्टीट्यूशन ने क्या क्या डेफिनेशन दे रखी है अबाउट गवर्नेंस वो समझेंगे. फिर हम समझेंगे गुड गवर्नेंस को. व्हाट इज गुड गवर्नेंस. Then a very important issue for UPSC and contemporary issue as well, that is called e-governance. थोड़ा बहुत हम समझेंगे कॉर्पोरेट गवर्नेंस के बारे में. फिर हम बात करेंगे राइट टू इन्फॉर्मेशन एक्ट के बारे में. Citizen Charter, another very important aspect for UPSC. Then we'll talk about the role of civil services in democracy, role of NGOs, SSGs and other agencies. And finally, we'll talk about the Representation of People Act. Now, let us see what are the broad concerns of governance. First of all, independent judiciary, accountability, public participation, ensuring citizen rights, empowering people, responsiveness, strong civil society including press, and finally, civil servants with professional ethics. So that was all about this video. Follow us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and visit our website for latest updates.